You're walking through the forest and find an animal that needs help. As you help it, one question appears. Does it understand that you're trying to save it? But at that moment, cortisol and adrenaline spread through its body. The pupils dilate. The heartbeat speeds up. It commands the body to defend itself or run as fast as possible. This defense is written at the genetic level, passed down from generation to generation. Studies show the body activates all its emergency forces to survive. When hormones spread through the body tenses every muscle to the limit. The heart pounds with such force as if it's on the verge of stopping. When an animal gets caught in a trap, its cortisol level can be higher than after a gunshot wound or a traffic accident. To compare stress levels between being caught in a trap and suffering a gunshot wound, the fight-or-flight mode switches on. The animal sees the human as a predator approaching at the worst possible moment. Sometimes the animal stops moving completely as if its mind has gone somewhere else. Or it studies the situation for a split second, prepares its body to act, and then strikes. In Yellowstone, a research team found a wolf caught in a trap. It was terrified. Every time they came closer, the wolf lunged forward, snapping its teeth, fighting with everything it had left. But then, one researcher stopped. He didn't rush. He didn't raise his hands. He didn't look away. He simply held eye contact. And something strange happened. A predator that comes to kill usually moves fast, direct, and aggressive. But this human was still, calm, different. For a few minutes, the wolf kept fighting. Then its body slowed down. The attack stopped. It sat down and stared back. And when the trap finally opened, the wolf was free. It could have disappeared into the forest immediately, but it didn't. For a moment, it stayed there, looking at the people who had just saved it. Seattle, USA. A little girl named Haley fed crows every day. After a year, something surprising began to happen. The crows started bringing her small gifts, buttons, beads, bits of metal, even coins. They had remembered her kindness. Each day, the bond grew stronger. And soon, it seemed the birds no longer saw her as just a human, but as a friend. Montana, 2021. A hunter named Craig Hawley wounded a moose, but not fatally. The animal ran away. 2 days later, Craig found the moose in the same place. It was lying there, waiting. A reserve veterinarian later said that moose with fatal injuries sometimes look for familiar humans. This has not been studied on a large scale, but according to the records, it has been documented 3 times. There is a special type of brain cell, spindle neurons. For a long time, scientists believed they existed only in humans and great apes. They are linked to empathy and rapid social decision-making. Later, they were also found in large whales and then in elephants. Elephants are a special case. Their hippocampus, the brain's center of memory, helps them remember not just places, but specific events. They mourn their dead. They recognize themselves in mirrors. And they can hold social memories for decades. Elephants have been seen standing near the bones of lost relatives, touching them with their trunks, as if they remembered. Some animals really can pause their threat response when a calm human works near them. Maybe the most honest question is not whether they understand us. Maybe it's that they have been reading us all along. But the truth is, we still don't fully know. And if you're interested in stories like this about animals, science, and the hidden behavior of nature, subscribe to the channel.